what are Angular modules and why are they important for us? This is also one of the questions that you could get in an Angular interview. So let's answer this question. As we already know from version 2, Angular is using modular architecture. So these modules are part of that architecture. Angular modules are actually fundamental building blocks of Angular applications. They provide us with a way to organize and structure Angular applications. Also, we are grouping components, directives, pipes, and services into modules, and they provide us with a modularity. So let's see on this screen what is actually Angular module. So we are starting with the app module, that is actually main module here. And we can see that module is actually a class that is using ng module decorator here. And that module decorator has some properties here. So the first, here we can see declarations. Declarations are the components, directives, and pipes that belong to this module. So whenever we add a new component, we can find it here into this declarations here. Also, we have imports. Imports are actually other modules whose exports our component needs to work with that. After that, we could have exports also. So in this case, we don't have them, but we could have exports here like this. Exports, and then we would export our components from this module. So if any other module use them, they can see them like in imports. They will be actually able to import them. After that, we have providers. Providers are actually into this object key here. We are adding an array of services that dependency injection system is going to use and provide them in our module to our components across the application to be able to use actually that services. And now we have a bootstrap, and this is the only one, this is only appearing in the app module, that is main module. So this is actually the root component that Angular should be bootstrap when the application starts. So this is only in the root module. So this is it for the ng module here. And now, why are they important actually? Why are these modules important? They allow us to break the application into smaller and reusable and manageable pieces, as we can see here, and each module encapsulates a specific feature or functionality, making the application easier to understand and maintain. So they provide us with a code organization, lazy loading. So here I'll show you an app routing module here. And then we can see that we are lazy loading this public module. Actually, this path user doesn't matter. It has to be or public. And then we can see the load children here. And we are importing this public module, then lazy loading it here as this. So they are providing us ability to lazy load modules and improve our performance of our applications. So that's some part of the modules here. Also, they have dependency injection that I already mentioned, reusability, encapsulation. So that means that modules provide a way to encapsulate functionality, ensuring that components, directives, and pipes are only accessible where they are actually needed. And this prevents naming conflicts and improves security. And we have different types of modules. So we have root module. This is our app module here. This is only one in the root. And then we have feature modules, for example. And to demonstrate that, I'll just create a new module here. So to create a module, actually, we're using Angular CLI and typing ng g as generate, m as a module, and then we can say feature or some feature, doesn't matter what's your name. Okay, and then we can see that we got a module here instead of private here, and we can see feature module, and this is a module, and it has declarations and imports. It uses just common module. And now we have like shared modules that I have here. So the shared modules contain reusable components, directives, and pipes. For example, this one here. And we have a core modules. Usually core modules contain singleton services or application-wide functionalities. Example, core module. And we have a routing module that we could see here, a routing module. And with our routes, and also in our other modules, we could add routes related to that module, those modules. So this is one part. Also, from standalone components from version 17 plus. In Angular 17 plus, Angular introduces standalone components, which do not require ng module anymore. So we don't need ng modules for standalone components, but this simplifies the architecture for smaller applications or specific use cases. However, modules are still relevant for larger applications or when you need to group related functionalities, such as these here. So this is it when it comes to answer this question regarding the modules, and I hope this answer was helpful to you. So if you like the video, please like, share or comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.